Hello, my name is Freddy, and today I'll be presenting the Garitas model, but this time I'm going to be giving just a short description of it. In next pages, I'll be diving into more details of each stage. To start, I'd like to provide some background of where it comes from. This model is meant to help second language learners develop speaking competences, and to do so, it takes the language learner through a process of skill integration to speaking. This model is based on four major second language acquisition learning theories. First, we have the behaviorism. It was proposed by Skinner. He came up with the conclusion that people acquire or learn a second language through external rewards. Those rewards may be tokens or praises given by the caregiver or the teacher, which will reinforce the desired behavior. He concluded that second language acquisition or learning process is a matter of habit formation. Then we have the native theory. It was proposed by Noam Chomsky. He claimed that the human brain contains a special language learning mechanism, what he called the LAD, the language acquisition device, that it will help the language learner learn any language they are exposed to. He concluded that language is innate to human. We also have the cognitive theory. Its main proponent was Piaget. He stated that second language acquisition learning is a matter of brain maturity and mental development. He believed that some very specific grammar features of a language are acquired or learned before others. He concluded that language occurs naturally but is tied to the mental development of the language learner. Finally, we have the interactive theory. It was proposed by Jerome Bruner. He claimed that in order to acquire or learn a second language, the interaction between the caregiver, the teacher, and the language learner is key. The caregiver or the teacher will provide the necessary input to the language learner. Then the language learner will produce output. As this occurs, the teacher may provide the language learner the feedback so he can improve and move forward to the second language acquisition learning process. Now, it is the time to name the seven stages which this model observes. First, we have the prior knowledge activation, in which the teacher helps the language learner activate the schema through content checking questions, or the CCQs. Then we have the auditory visual receptiveness, the auditory creative motor production, the auditory gut feeling, the auditory written production, the creative written production, and finally the storytelling. This is all for today. I hope you liked it, and check my next video where I'll be describing each stage in more detail. Thank you and see you next time.